The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to midline of Lake Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near O'Hare Airport to 6 nautical miles south of Midway Airport to 28 nautical miles southeast of Joliet, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher wind and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include New Buffalo and Michigan City. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is NOAA Weather Radio Change. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 59, effective until 1 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday, or midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, LaPorte, Marshall, Pulaski, St. Joseph and Stark, and the following counties in Michigan: Berrien and Cass, and the following: New Buffalo, Michigan to St. Joseph, Michigan, Michigan City, Indiana to New Buffalo, Michigan, and Lake Michigan from Michigan City, Indiana to St. Joseph, Michigan, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions, and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, Berrien County in southwestern Michigan, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 6:04 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles northeast of Whitington near Ogden Dunes to Lakes of the Four Seasons, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waterford, Michiana Shores, Harbor, Trail Creek, Fish Lake, Shorewood Tower Hill, Crumstown, Paw Paw Lake, Lakeside and Berrien County, Milford, New Carlisle, Lake Michigan Beach, Haskell, Byron, Grand Beach, South Wanata, Rolling Prairie, Union Mills, Turner Shores, and Buchanan. This includes the following highways: Interstate 196 between mile markers 0 and 7. Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 38 and 75. Interstate 94 in Indiana between mile markers 33 and 45. Interstate 94 in Michigan between mile markers 0 and 42. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant... A special marine warning remains in effect until 7.